Morning folks, just thought I'd, while I got the chance, nip out on the bike. I'm currently on the A399 which goes from Alacross, South Molton in North Devon all the way into Coombe Martin. I thought I'd take a chance and get myself up over the Exmoor. It's a bit breezy. I mean, it's middle of February, nearly end of February. It's 22nd of February today, and I mean, look at the skies. They're so well. It's not February skies, is it? It is a little bit chilly. It's 7 degrees, but and the wind is a bit blustery. I was going to try and get the drone out when we get to across Exmoor, but we'll see what happens. So yeah, this is the A399, and it's a nice and twisty road. Some nice twisty corners, nice technical corners. The only thing you have to watch out for down here, guys, if you've never been, is, especially in the summer, the volume of traffic. In the winter the road gets quite dirty because there's a lot, obviously being North Devon, it's quite rural, there's a lot of farms, and the farmers are in and out doing what they do in their tractors. So I'm going to turn right here and head towards Chalacombe and Simmons Bath. Okay, Chalacombe. There's a lovely pub here called the Black Venus. I said Venus. Okay, get your mind out the gutter, guys. Do great food around here. And if you're into your walking, there's some hiking routes as well, so you can come and check those out if that's your thing. So, cow grids. Like I say, I've been over this road at times, and there's been cows, there's been horses, sheep's in the road. So just take it easy, take it easy. Right, let me go up here, park up out the way. Right. Hopefully, that's a big H for the hopefully, that doesn't go anywhere. Yeah, that works for me. Look at the backdrop, guys. It is a bit blustery, but hey, there's no sea or river to crash into, so I'm going to get Donnie the drone out, and back in a minute. Right guys, so I've had the drone out. It's a bit windy. I've got the Hero 7 on me today, so I'm going to put it on the bike down there, and yeah, I'm going to put it on the bike down there, see what kind of footage we get. It's all faff when you're trying to film wherever you go. You've got to make sure this camera's charged and that camera's charged, and got enough SD card, and then you got enough battery, and then you put the camera on straight. That looks yeah, that's not straight, is it, mister? Like I say, it's all faffery. I'm a little bit worried that I might lose the camera. On a tree. That's better. That's more like it. Look at the size of that bloody bike. So I love this bike. 2 years ago, this was 2017 bike. Oh, look at it. Yeah, this was 2017 bike. It's 2019 now. 3 years ago in 2016. If you'd have said, Mark, you'd love you'd be riding around in a GS and you'd love it, I'd have told you to shut up. However, I do think, I mean, I love sports bikes. I love the way they look. I love the way they sound. I grew up watching Barry Sheen, Kevin Schwantz, Wayne Rainey, Freddie Spencer, who I still think is one of the most talented racers we've ever had. Still doesn't look straight. Anyway, yeah. Like I say, I love the smell. I love the smell of two-stroke motorcycles when the 500 GP bikes will be racing around. But times change, and can't see anything out my visor. Yeah, times change. Not only in racing, that's why we're all four-strokes, because of environmental issues, etc. But as a motorcyclist, I think you evolve as well. And sports bikes are epic for all those reasons I've just mentioned. The smell, the speed, the look of most of them. But they're very impractical. Yeah, they're very impractical, and on roads like this, I rode when I had S1000 RRs. I rode S1000 RRs on this road, and you get battered. Just because the suspension's so firm, and you can't get the power down because the bike's always upset. And when you do get the power down, it's all over the place, and then you're limited to what you can use. And it's always, for me, the sports bike, especially like I say S1000 RR, the power on those things and the way they make it, so addictive. But it's just teasing you, and it's just basically. It's just teasing you into doing something and going crazy fast and risking your license. And so this is why I love this GS, because it's fast enough. It's fast enough on the roads. You can keep up with traffic. You can obviously get the overtakes in. So yeah, I've had this bike, it's February, I bought it in end of March 2017. I've had this bike 2 years, and I've been tempted with buying something else, and I just can't see myself letting go of this. It's too much fun. And I think the other thing about this as well is when you can ride these and you can keep up with people on sports bikes, or you can be faster than people on sports bikes, it just gives you that enormous sense of satisfaction. Like you can hustle this 250 kilo bike with big sticky out engine quite quickly on British roads. And that's, I think, the key. You can hustle it quickly on British roads. Okay, so Countisbury Hill. Okay, so there's a pub just round the corner. Blue Bell. Just here, guys. Just there. Great for food as well. Car parks there. So we're going to head towards Porlock, and we'll drop down into Porlock. We'll go to a cafe, have a cup of tea, maybe a slash cake. Maybe a Devon cream tea. I'm getting cattle grids, so watch out for the animals. And the view, guys, I might have to slow down. I love this road. It's bumpy as hell. But look at this view. This road is constantly crops up in one of several of the motorcycle magazines, UK magazines, as being one of the best, a great ride in Britain. And it's just on my doorstep. I mean, look at this view. Okay, 20 degrees downhill with hairpin bends. Look at the beach over there, guys. Yeah. So the hairpins down here, they are pretty tight. And on the way up, you'll get cars struggling because they'll not be in the right gear, and they'll end up stopping, which is all very well to put it in first for a car or drop a gear and then set off again. However, just keep your wits about you on the way up. I try not to get too close to any four-wheel vehicles. I give them loads of space just so I can ride the road myself and not get caught. See what I mean about the hairpins? So I don't get caught up in their mistake. Just loads of that brake and tease it round. Nice little tea break. Guess who forgot to switch the GoPro on earlier? Yes, me. Anyway, we're gonna head back up Porlock Hill. We're gonna head back Porlock Hill and head back home. Okay, Porlock Hill, guys. Say it's a bit of a tight, twisty. Give it loads of clutch. Keep the revs on. Look where you want to go. Smell the clutches on those cars and brakes. This one, guys, load of clutch. Keep the revs up. Look where you want to go. hopefully this time with the GoPro switched on we can get some epic footage. Silly Billy me. Okay guys, just want to say thank you for joining me on this mini adventure across Exmoor National Park, taking in Simmons Bath, Porlock Hill, Countisbury Hill, quick coffee stop in Linton and Lynmouth. It's good to get out on the bikes. Every time you go out, it doesn't have to be a massive epic. Little mini epics are good, just to get out and just to be out on the bike and enjoy that sense of freedom that we get from it. It's like motorcycling is like meditation for me. It's like just you've got to concentrate on what you're doing. You've got to concentrate so much more riding a motorcycle than you do a car, so it focuses the brain and just lets the rest of your brain chill out. So I always feel good after a day out on the bike. There are even a few hours. What time did I set off? I think it was like 10:15 I set off this morning. It's 10 to 1 in the afternoon of the same day. And it's just good to get out and explore. So like I said, I hope you've enjoyed this mini adventure, this mini epic, as I'm making my way back home. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell next to it, and that will update you as soon as I post new videos. If you've got any comments guys, please feel free to post them below. Of course, be nice. No, you don't have to be nice, say what you want. But constructive criticism is better than just having a go at me, okay? Because that doesn't help anybody. And of course, please give me the thumbs up button. That just helps get the videos spread out and it'll just help grow the channel. And once again guys, thank you for being part of this day and coming along for the ride. So I'm going to say goodbye, and I'll speak to you soon in the future, in the near future. Take care now. Bye bye.